Friends, this question was asked in UPSC CSAT 2024. Such a simple question this was. 20 सेकंड के अंदर आप इसको सॉल्व कर सकते हो, provided you understand what I am going to be talking about. It says that if you look at it, they have given you a huge numbers. Whatever this is, 222 raised to any number, whether this is an even number or an odd number, the outcome will be an even number. Are we understanding this thing? Whereas 333 raised to any number will be an odd number. Are we understanding this thing? 3 raised to any number will give you an odd outcome. Now, what do we have over here? We have got an even number and an odd number. If you add these two numbers, certainly the outcome will be an odd number. If the outcome is an odd number, odd numbers are never divisible by 2. And if you look at your options, option A, C and D are saying they have 2, right? So none of them will be answers. What is the right answer? The right answer is B, because B does not have 2. See how simple this problem was. Option elimination is a very important strategy in UPSC CSAT. If you would like to prepare for UPSC CSAT with us, we will be providing you with 3 demo sessions and you will crack this examination in a very simple way.